face shines from the crowd, young and fresh in a faded frame, from a gathering each year, where young and old all came to share a laugh, to share a past. I never knew time flew so fast, but looking back along the path I see, part of my heart is family. You gave me roots so I could drink deeply from life's river. You gave me light in your smiles so I could grow to be a giver. When the seed of who I am was still hidden deep inside, you warmed my soul with love and pride. Part of my heart is family. Now the seeds I've sown are smiling back at me, with eyes that look so far, two eyes that now can see that precious gift, that golden thread. Once I follow, now they're led. As they run ahead, I'll shine so they can see. Part of my heart is family. You gave me roots so I could drink deeply from life's river. You gave me light in your smiles so I could grow to be